Hello, welcome to the Beginner's Meditation Instructions. Today I'm going to tell you how to meditate, and we're going to do a little practice. So, to get started with meditation, just sit in a comfortable posture. It can be on the floor or in a chair. You want to sit in with a posture that you can sustain for probably 10 minutes at least to start out. But we'll start with less than that, maybe 5 minutes. So in a chair, sit with your back straight and your feet on the floor, your hands either in your lap or on your knees. Sitting on the floor, you can sit cross-legged with your back up straight once again, or your hands on your knees or in your lap. You can also sit what they call Seiza style with your shins kind of on the floor and your feet going behind you. But find a comfortable posture that you can stick with for several minutes. After you practice meditation for some weeks and months, you'll get to find the posture that works best for you. Anyways, now with the technique, breath meditation is probably the most popular type of meditation, so that's what we're going to do. It actually feels really good to breathe if you notice it. So it's pretty nice once you do meditation over time. At least for me, I find that your breathing becomes even more pleasurable because you become more sensitive to it. So it's quite nice. And actually, that's a good way to think about it. So think about meditation from the perspective of you're just going to enjoy your breath and enjoy breathing. It is quite enjoyable, as I said. So sit in your posture and bring your awareness into your body. So the breath is actually the bridge between your mind and your body. And that's one of the many reasons why we use the breath as a meditation object. Your breath can calm down your body and your mind, which is also another reason and benefit. So we're doing breath meditation, but it's also body meditation in a way. And, well, this is getting more into the intermediate practice. After a while, you'll start to see how the meditation, you're actually meditating on your body and your mind with the breath, but don't worry about that for now. We'll talk about that later. Anyways, for now, just focus on your body. Bring your attention to your body. Scan your body with your awareness. So start at your toes and bring your awareness through your feet, up through your legs, into your torso. Bring your awareness up through your abdomen and your torso, up into your heart and your chest. You can use your breathing to do this. Bring your awareness into your arms. You can kind of sweep your awareness around your arms. And then up through your shoulders, into your neck. And then finally up into your head. Now do that again and this time link it with your breathing. So actually use your breath to kind of visualize your filling up your body with breath, starting from your toes going upwards. So you can kind of feel that going up. Breathing in all the way from your feet through your legs. Breathing with awareness coming up through your torso and your abdomen. Into your heart and your chest. Breathing in your arms, up into your shoulders, then up through your neck, and into your head. Now, go ahead and do that one more time slowly. Do it more slowly this time, and I won't narrate, so I'll just let you do it. Okay. If you enjoyed that, then please continue with that method of meditation. I'm gonna post videos about several different variations of breath meditation, because there's different ways to do it. This is just one way with the body scanning. This is probably my favorite meditation technique, but actually everyone's different, and different people take to different meditation techniques differently. So you have to find what's best for you, but don't rush to try a bunch of different meditation techniques right off the bat. Maybe stick with one for a few days or a week, and then if it's not so suitable to you, try another one, etc., until you find one that really works for you. What else can I say? Obviously, with meditation, your mind is going to at first at least, your mind's going to wander off and you're going to become distracted from the concentration on the breathing or whatever your meditation object is. That's only natural, especially for beginners. So don't even worry about it. Just bring your attention back to your meditation object, in this case, the breath and the body. That's actually another reason why I like this technique, is because it kind of gives you more of an active thing to do with your mind rather than just focusing on, say, the breath at the nose where it's coming in and out, which is another technique, just to focus in one spot. I do that sometimes too, but I think this one is kind of more active and engaging, so I think it combats wandering thoughts well. You may find that. I'll end it here. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I wish you much development on your meditation journey.